Morning guys, we're going racing today. I am at Willowbank Dragway. Skid Control has a Motorkhana and KHANACROSS event on today, so we've brought the red SS. It's the only one that's together, working reliable at the moment, so we'll have a go. Got a mate coming down, he's going to nav for me today. It's going to be a little bit of speed event in there. We do have to wear a helmet, some we don't, so yeah, let's see what we get up to. Cheers. First lap out, battery looks like it's on the way out. It's throwing engine codes and stability problems. Died on in the stopping box and was cranking real slow, so navigator's going to go for a run. Probably I'm going to do some some of the shorter course stuff while he's going for a run. I won't really need a navigator, I'll just take it slow, try and get some charge back in this battery, see how it goes. Right, we got a new battery for the car, chucked it in, it's running much better, still lagging on the start, but it's probably because it's hot. Jumped back in it, did another couple of laps, got it down to a 37.4, and then the last one I did was a 36.9. The top time for the day is a 35.4, and it's a little buzz box BMW or some bloody thing. So we're not too far behind. The guy here actually said he's quite surprised that the car's doing these times, so that's positive. We also checked tyre pressures. They had come up to about 36, so we dropped them down to 32 hot. I set them at 32 cold yesterday, so make sure you check your tyre temps during the day. Alright, let's get back racing.
left, right, left, stay, left, right, left, straight. That was good, but you got a clone.
Yeah, but it was already tipped over.
Yeah. Do they run the same course? Like,
Yeah, this one runs all day. Those ones change. What's the time? That other one should have changed by now. Yeah. Day done. We didn't end up running one of the tracks. I need to get home. It's a 2.5 hour drive for me from here, so we packed up early. There's only about an hour left in run time. The car did fairly well. Brakes were starting to fade at the end of the day. Trans was not very happy, but it's an auto L6L80E. If I can keep this car, I'll probably find a TR6060 and throw it in. But we finished the long track 13th overall with a 1:26.9. First short track, my best time didn't register, which was a 26.9. Surprised that the guy running the course with that time, he didn't think the car would do it, especially being a big slow auto. The second one, I can't remember. I will find the times on their website and screenshot them and put them up. Yeah, and third one didn't run. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers. recording?
Yep. Chest.
Oh, I can see that.
Testicles.
Testicles.